Whoa! What's going on with that? My first day of daily vlogging. Just kidding, I've been doing it for a week. But since I made that video called I'm gonna be vlogging every day until I'm a millionaire. Yay! Yeah, so today I woke up at 10:45 and I have work at 1 o'clock all the way until tonight at 9 p.m. Just working 8-hour shifts several times a week sucks. So I'm making a video for my guitar channel. Well, I'm not gonna make a video, but I'm gonna practice writing something for my guitar channel with the next hour that I have free for the day. Yeah, great. A lot of free time today.
Got your head in the door? That's silly.
What's up? I just got to work 4 minutes early. I'm gonna sit in my car until I absolutely have to go in. I don't even really mind working. It's just like, now that I've been so productive lately and making daily uploads, making videos for my musician channel, and trying to start an online business, it's like, the amount of things I could think of doing with 8 hours, it's like, the pay here isn't even worth my time anymore. It's like, right now I'm not getting paid to do these things, but I could be so much more productive, and in the long run it'll pay off more. That's what sucks. Like, working a 9 to 5 literally takes away time. Like, your time is so much more valuable than however much an hour you're making, so. It's dark. Alright, out of the wind. We're getting some really easy food to cook, so I don't feel like cooking. It's like 9 o'clock at night. I get like mac and cheese or something. Hi. Dun 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 dun.
Enter your Haas avocado quantity. Place your Haas avocado on the belt for
I don't know why I think that's so funny. What's up? Huh? Okay. I'm going to be making myself and my beautiful girlfriend some dinner, and we're gonna go to bed so I can wake up early tomorrow and start all over again. So what did we learn today? We learned that working 8 hours a day takes up a ton of your time. If you sleep for 8 hours, you work for 8 hours. I sleep like 10 hours, I'm gonna be honest. You work for 8 hours, call 9 hours. So you're at 17 hours for the day. Then that means you spend another hour cooking, 18 hours, spend an hour eating / drinking / going to the bathroom. You're at like 6 hours of free / productive time for the day. So while you're still young and can risk it, try and become your own boss, right? That's what I'm trying to do. So I'm starting an online business soon for those of you who are new here. And I'm gonna be tracking every single day of my life until I'm a millionaire. So I'll see you tomorrow.